Just a short little video here. When I made that arbor up or adapted it for use in my forgotten the damn name of it now, mortising machine, I'd used the chuck body to check for running central, but I've decided to make another one now, and I've actually done it off the centre of whatever's held in the chuck to the other end, and that's threaded now on there. But I just thought I'd skim the chuck face, because it was for the chuck body here, because going round it was obviously running out, and I only took a few light skims off it. And that happened. It's just a very, very, very thin piece of metal on there. Well, I suppose that's cheap Chinese chucks for you, isn't it? Oh well. So, question is this all pointless now? Because if I get another chuck, is it going to run as true as... Well, I don't know whether that does run true, but is it going to run the same? That's only a 1/2 inch UNF thread on there to thread it on the chuck, but or do I make a new cover for it? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, I thought you'd just find that interesting. What a cheap load of crap.